Winter is here, and it's time to get your vehicle ready for cold weather. Tip number 1, check your battery. Cold temperatures can weaken it, so make sure your battery is fully charged and ready for the season. Tip number 2, inspect your tires. Ensure you have enough tread depth for the winter months, and check your tire pressure. The cold air can cause it to drop. Tip number 3, top off all your fluids. Make sure your washer fluid is full and your wiper blades are in good working order, so you have a clear view while you're driving during those winter storms. Tip number 4, keep your fuel level above a half a tank. This way, if you get stranded in a winter storm, you'll be able to stay warm. Tip number 5, pack an emergency kit. Make sure to pack the essentials like a blanket, jumper cables, and ice scrapers. Even pack extra hats and gloves in case you get stranded in a winter storm. Don't let winter catch you off guard. Visit Capital City Ford today and winterize your vehicle. We are your trusted winter-ready destination.